Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to fix Instagram crashing problem, and now let's dive right in. Now to fix Instagram crashing on your phone, guys, first open up your settings on your phone and not the Instagram app itself. And then on this interface, scroll down until you can find the apps option available for us. Tap on apps, and after opening the apps at the top of the screen, you can see the app management button available for us. Tap on app management and search for Instagram over here. And from over here, in order to proceed, we are going to try a few fixes which might fix your Instagram crashing problem. First, guys, force stop your Instagram by tapping on the force stop button over here, and then your Instagram app will be force stopped, and reopen your Instagram. By that way, your Instagram app will be restarted and it will load from the start, where it might fix your Instagram crashing problem. But if it still does not work, guys, you can see the storage usage option available for us just below the data usage over here, guys. On the same interface, tap on the storage uses, and you can clear the cache if your Instagram is crashing too much. If there is a lot of cache, then tap on the clear cache button over here, and after that, reopen the Instagram app on your phone. That might fix your Instagram crashing problem. And with that being done, guys, if it still does not fix the problem, then open the Play Store on your phone and search for the Instagram app on your Google Play Store on your phone. Maybe your Instagram app requires an update, so let's tap on the Instagram, and you can see, guys, the Instagram app will be available on this list, where you can see the open button at the right side of the screen. If there is an update button available for you on your screen, tap on update, because your Instagram app on your phone requires an update. And after updating, guys, your Instagram crashing problem might be fixed. Or if not, guys, if it's still not fixed, try uninstalling the Instagram app and restarting your device, and after that, again install the Instagram app on your phone and re-login into your Instagram app. That way, guys, your Instagram crashing problem will be fixed. And with that being said, guys, this is how to fix Instagram crashing problem. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.